got it? Okay. And again, you know, my pinky toe, you can't see it's out of the picture. So yeah, that's what I have to deal with. All right, another example. I'm going to show you again this shoe. If you are interested in it, this is Delight 619. But if you want this particular pair and you want to restore it, you have to get that done. It's like that on both shoes. Okay. All right, so these shoes, keep it over here. Not trying to show all that. Trying to show all that over there. Okay, now these, I do not want to get rid of these shoes. I love, 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 love these shoes. They are discontinued. I got the heel replaced twice. How much I love these shoes. And you can tell how much I love them. I mean, you can see my footprints. You can see my toe prints. So these got a lot of use out of them. So if you're interested in these particular pair, send me a message. This shoe is called Fascinate 652. Fascinate 652. This is real leather. The ankle cuff. And now these I did get in the size 10, and actually these did work for me. So I mean, I know what I said about the other shoes. I guess it's trial and error. But for the most part, it's how I said about the other two pair. So again, these shoes, if you want them, but they fit snugly. This is a 10, and my toe curve, like I said, my right curve's right, and it's not over the mouth of the shoe. There's no room in the back, so it's all the way snug to the back. And these, you know, they fit without coming off. They fit without me sliding or having a grip. You paint them. I can walk without having to slide or grip the bottom of the shoe to keep them warm. Love these shoes. Hate to get rid of them, but they're discontinued, and you know, it just, for me, trying to get them repaired, just, you know, right now for me, it just isn't worth it. So if you're interested, send me a message. If you do want them, you have to get the heel replaced. You can see how much I'm wearing. See, even the sole of the shoe, it's been dug in. So, okay, and the footbed